Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system startup easy and quick. First click here and then go to apps and features, and after that click here and type Vanguard. Click on it and then click on install, and after that just open Riot client and then it will ask you to install, so just click install and it will start installing Vanguard again, and after that just try again, and if it asks you to start your PC, just restart it, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then all you have to do just go to services and then scroll down until you find VGC, and here's it. When you find it, just double click on it and then make sure it's running. Maybe you'll find it like that, then all you have to do just click start again, and then click here startup type and make it automatic, and then click apply and OK. Go back and then try again, and that's it. Maybe you will need to restart your PC again, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.